so it says, Shalom Rav, we learned that after touched the part of the body that is normally covered, one needs to wash his hands before davening or learning Torah. I wonder what constitutes a normally covered part. Does it include lower leg of a woman?
Yes, that does include, because our holy tradition of women to have skirts very long, or if it's not long, like if it's on cover the knees and below the knees, they wear stockings. So it is covered. It's supposed to be covered, yeah.
So if a woman touches that part of her body, she's supposed to wash her hands.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.